What if I told you that one simple candle could help you spot high probability trades on Quotex? Most traders completely ignore it, but today I'll show you my second candle strategy, one of the easiest price action methods I personally use. Stay until the end because I'll explain every rule with live chart examples. As you can see, this trade was taken using the exact same second candle strategy. I took 3 trades and all 3 ended in profit. Now let's get into the strategy itself. The first thing you need to identify is which side of the market you are in, the buyer side or the seller side. On the chart, the left hand side represents the buyer side move, while the right hand side represents the seller's side. The market can only move in two directions, up or down. It's a very simple concept, but understanding it is the foundation of this strategy. On the chart, the left side represents the buyer side, while the right hand side always represents the seller side. And this strategy is based on which side you are in. So for example, here market major trend was downtrend, and also we were in a seller side as well. So this strategy is all about taking trade on the second candle. So the first candle will be our confirmation, and taking second candle the same direction trade. Whatever color the candle is, we are going to take the same direction trade. That is so easy and so effortless. Okay, so here you can see market reversed with a red candle, and we're going to take the same direction trade as my second candle strategy. We are not taking any trades on the third candle because market can reverse. Again, we will wait for market to reverse, and you can see we can take trade on the second candle. If the marginal entry was placed, that would have been a winning trade, but one step martingale was also a winning trade as well. Similarly, I was in this candle. The first candle was my confirmation, and the second candle was my second candle trade, and that was a winning trade. Now let's go in other charts and we will find some high probability trades based on my second candle strategy. I will try to incorporate major and minor trend as well. So in that way, my trade will be much more accurate. You can clearly see how market has respected this second candle strategy. Here market reversed with a red candle, and you can take same direction trade. This is not a reversal trade, this is a continuation trade strategy. I can see a nice opportunity forming. I've placed my marginal safety entry for a put entry. We are in a seller's loop, and whenever we are in a seller's loop, we are always going to go with the sellers. So market reversed with an inverted hammer, a red inverted hammer, and I have placed same direction trade, and based on this strategy, this trade should be a winning trade as well. This is a beginner friendly strategy, and it can be applied across most binary trading platform. The key is knowing which side of the market you are trading. Once you can identify whether buyers or sellers are in control, your entries become much more structured and your trades decision become much more accurate. Master this one skill and you'll have a solid foundation using this second candle strategy effectively. As you can see, this trade ended in a solid win. After this, I won't place any more trades because this strategy only allows entries on the second candle. We do not take trades on the third candle as that no longer follows the setup rules. Now let's wait patiently for another high probability opportunity. This time I'm looking for a reversal setup with a valid second candle entry. So let's find that perfect entry point. This in this chart we have got a second candle, but the price is too high and I do not want to take any risks here. All right guys, I can see a opportunity going on around here. There is a lot of bullish pressure going on, and market has reversed with a solid green candle after the last red candle was an inverted red hammer. After closing this candle, I will immediately take my call entry based on my second candle strategy. And as you can see, this green candle is a nice healthy candle without any lower wick but only upper wick. I have already mentioned in my previous videos as well, a green candle without any lower wick but only upper wick is a strong healthy green candle, and this is a solid trade. Without any hesitation, I have placed my call entry trade right at the opening of the candle, and this trade has almost 90% of accuracy. I also had multiple confirmation before taking this entry. If you look at the recent market history, you can see that bullish momentum was already strong. Combined with the overall market structure, this setup met all the conditions of my strategy, making it a valid trade setup. And as soon as I place my trade, the trade is going in my favor, making it a deep winning trade. Alright guys, I hope you understand how this second candle strategy works in real time. I want you all to practice this in your demo account first, combine it with multiple confirmation and then take trades. Just like how I have explained in this video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I provide free PDF materials for you in your trading journey. I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning and as always, happy trading guys.